Good afternoon, Bevan here at Wyatt Machine Tools. This afternoon I'm just going to show you a quick way of repairing broken plastic parts when you need to hold them before welding or gluing any product. So we've got our plastic tack welder here, so I'll just run through, quickly show you how we can hold these bits in before we weld them. So there is a range of different shaped staples. As you can see here, you get ones for in the corner, your straight wiggles, and then the castle type ones, just depending on what you want to do. So what we're going to do today is just start with the straight ones here, and they basically just go into the end of this tool. Button there, hold the button, it heats the staple, as you can see. Hold the item where you want it welded, push in, release the button and remove. Okay, so we'll put a straight staple in there now, so we've basically held that part there, and this is also broken through this corner here. So now go down into the corner. Off the button, wait a moment and release. So now that's holding the corner area in. The tool actually has 3 different holes in the head for positioning the staples. So if you have to get into somewhere that's a little bit tighter, you can position the staples in different angles. We're just going to do this bit down here now. So I'll show you that too. We're going to position this broken piece that's missing out of here back in place. So we've got the broken piece back into position now, so now it's just a matter of putting a couple of staples on it, just to hold it. Now what we can do, now that we've got most of it held back together, we can actually go through now and put a few more staples in a few other areas. So I'll go through and do that, and then we'll come back and show you what you do after that. So now I've been through, we'll put some extra staples in that, so it's all held pretty solid now. Now what I do is go through with the side cutters, snip the uprights off, then just use your 10mm belt sander, belt sand in there, clean it up, blow it down with some air, and then you can use your glue. And if you want to, you can obviously flip it over to the other side, clean this area up, and hold it full glue that as well. So